and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and on this channel we are going to help adult learners with their phonics and pronunciation and reading. Okay, so we are going to go on to the next two letters of the alphabet. Okay, after A and B are A and B, on to the third letter of the alphabet, which is the C letter shape. Okay, the name of this letter shape is C. We got a capital C and we got a lowercase c. But the sound this letter makes is the k sound. Everybody at home say k with me, please. Okay, very good. Okay, so we're going to find some words which have the k sound in them. Okay, the first word with the k sound in it is coin. Oi, coin. Oi, coin. Oi, coin. Remember, when you see one dot, that means that one letter is making one sound, okay? When you see a line like this, that means that two letters are making one sound, a digraph sound. And again, you'll see a single letter sound, one dot, one letter, okay? So a sentence could be, the coin is made from silver, okay? So, coin. Make sure you're saying this with me at home to practice. Okay, the next one is cube. 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 Okay, the 3D shape is a cube. Could be a sentence there, okay? So here we have a split digraph, okay? So the E joins the A to make the U sound in this word. Sometimes it's U, sometimes it's U, but in this word it makes the U sound. U, B, Q. E joins the A to make the U sound. U, B, Q, okay? B is the last sound that we say. Okay, so this E and A, that is just one sound. Okay, so here we have four letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, four letters, and how many sounds? K, U, B, 1, 2, 3, three sounds. Okay, and going on to our last word today is, oh, I like this one. I've never been on one though. Cruise. K, R, U, S. Cruise. K, R, U, S. Cruise. Okay, I went on a cruise. Could be a sentence there. Okay, here we got two adjacent consonants. Okay, so we want to say them quickly together. So k and r kind of make a cr sound. We're saying it quickly together. Cr, cr, cr. U, S, cruise. Okay, the cruise was nice. Okay, so again we got a digraph U here and we got the S sound here, digraph. Okay, cruise. Super. Okay, on to the next one. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day. Okay, so the next sound we have is the D letter. Okay, this is the D letter. Okay, the name of these, well, this letter is D. Here is a capital D and here is a lowercase d. But the sound this letter makes is D, 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 D. Okay, your tongue is touching the back of your teeth. D, and then it's opening up. D. Make sure you sing this with me at home, okay? So now let's find some words which have the D sound in it. Okay, so first one we have is desk. D, E, S, K. Desk. D, E, S, K. Desk. Okay, I am cleaning my desk. Okay, that could be a sentence. Desk. And a s and k. They're adjacent consonants, they're consonant sounds together, so we kind of speed those up, we blend them together quickly. Sk, 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 desk, desk. Okay, so obviously 4 letters and 4 sounds there. Okay, our next one we have is beard. Okay, b, I, d, beard. B, I, d, beard. Okay, so here we've got an extra long red line. Okay, so here that is 3 letters. 1, 2, 3, 3 letters making one sound. That is a trigraph. Okay, so the e, a, and r together make the ear sound or ear sound. But today we're going to go say ear. Okay, b, I, d, beard. I have, well, I don't, but a sentence could be I have a beard. Okay, b, I, d, beard. Like Santa Claus has a beard, for example. B, I, d, beard. Okay. Alright, next one we have then is dolphin. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. Okay. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. So that P and H sounds together, making the F sound, the F digraph. Dolphin. The dolphin is swimming in the ocean, you could say. Dolphin. Okay, so now let's say these words and sounds together. Say them with me, please. D, d, desk, desk, desk. Beard, b, I, d, beard. And dolphin, d, o, u, f, I, n. Dolphin. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and I'll see you next time for the next 2 letters. See you later.